in the middle of humming a melody. His voice simply stopped. No strain, no pain, just silence, like a light dimmed without warning. He tried again. Nothing. He waved Marcia over, gesturing to his throat. "I Cyan sing, Mars," he whispered, his voice a ghost. She said nothing, just knelt beside him and held his hand. The following week, doctors confirmed what they already suspected. The heart failure had progressed. Fluid buildup affected his lungs. The medication could only slow the inevitable. His vocal cords, weakened by age and strain, were beginning to shut down. For a man whose life had been built on sound, silence felt like exile. But Leroy didn't complain. He adjusted. Instead of singing, he wrote. Not lyrics, letters. Long, winding reflections to people from his past. Some were mailed. Others were burned after reading. A few he never finished. He addressed one to his mother, another to his younger self. One simply said, "Thank you for listening when no one else did." He also began recording voice memos, not music, just thoughts. He spoke of love, forgiveness, and how sometimes the biggest victory isn't survival. It's not becoming bitter.
Tune into Leroy Gibbons, the Velvet Voice of Dancehall on the History of the Caribbean's podcast to hear more. Click the link in my profile and start listening now.